In this tutorial, we're going to be discussing a key point. The angle between chord and tangent is equal to the angle in the alternate segment. This is called the alternate segment theorem. Now, to start with applying, I'm going to name this angle X and this angle Y. And to show you how these angles are equal, notice the Z shape that it forms with the upper chord. Once you see this formation, you can then notice that this angle would then be equal to X, and this angle would also be equal to this one, Y. And this is what we call the alternate segment theorem. And so you should keep this rule in mind. My advice to you is to take note, since this theorem is so helpful in solving the exercises from this unit, the alternate segment theorem.